In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of Amazon's one-time password, also known as OTP, not being received. If you're having trouble accessing your Amazon account because you're not getting the OTP, don't worry. I'll guide you step by step to solve it. First, open your web browser and go to www.amazon.com. Once the page loads, click on the Sign In option in the top right corner. Enter your email address and click Continue. Then enter your password and click Sign In again. After signing in, you'll land on your Amazon homepage. Move your cursor to Account and List at the top, and from the drop-down menu, click on Login and Security. You may be asked to enter your password again for verification. Do that and click Sign In once more. Now, check your primary mobile number in the account settings. Make sure it's correct and up to date because this is where your OTP will be sent. If you still haven't received your OTP, click on the Resend OTP option on the verification screen. That often helps. If it doesn't work, check your phone's inbox storage. A full inbox can block new messages from arriving. Also, try restarting your phone. This can fix temporary glitches that affect message delivery. Next, make sure Amazon's number isn't blocked on your phone or in any third-party apps. If it's blocked, you won't receive any OTPs. If the issue still continues, try using the alternative sign-in option, where you combine your password with your security code to log in. And if none of these methods work, the best thing to do is contact Amazon customer service. They'll help you verify your identity and fix any account-related problems. And that's it, a complete guide to fixing the Amazon OTP problem and regaining access to your account. Remember, patience and a few quick checks can usually solve this issue. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.